On April 27, 2013, Rebuilding Together in Springfield celebrated its 21st annual National Rebuilding Day by hosting a Green and Fit neighborhood cluster rebuild. We joined forces with 1,000 volunteers and more than 70 sponsors to rebuild an entire block on Tyler Street in Springfield's Old Hill neighborhood, all in one day.
We could not have done a single bit of this without all of you right here, so give yourselves a big round of applause. Thank you.
Good to see positive people out here doing positive things for the city of Springfield. Well, this community certainly is wide awake today with power tools in hand.
Sponsors, donors, and volunteers came from throughout Springfield and all over Massachusetts and New England.
What are we doing today?
Rebuilding together!
They invested more than $500,000 into that one block of Tyler Street. Thanks to them, these families now have repaired, safe, energy-efficient homes.
The experience that I've had with Rebuilding Together has been wonderful. And I think it's a wonderful project that they have to really rebuild the neighborhood, because I've lived around here around 45 years. And now I think it's going to begin to work again for us. It's going to be a nice place to raise the kids and a clean neighborhood again.
The scope of work included converting homes from oil heat to natural gas, mold remediation, pest control, weatherization, new roofs, siding, energy-efficient windows and doors, water-saving plumbing improvements, electrical, flooring, age-in-place modifications, masonry work, interior and exterior painting, ramps, fencing, and landscaping. A community garden was created and a playground was improved.
My name is Sandra Medina and I live at 202 Tyler Street in Springfield, Mass. This house really needs basically a lot of everything. The floors are not in good conditions. The kitchen, I don't have a kitchen right now where I'm washing my dishes in the tub because I don't have a sink in my kitchen. And basically I do everything in the bathroom. I don't have access to a kitchen.
Colleen, Ethel, Rebuilding Together, thank you to your continued belief and investment in our city of Springfield. Let's give them a round of applause.
I really like it. It kind of makes you be positive about your life, you know, and it kind of makes you see your life in a different way and definitely appreciate what you do have. A big reason why I wanted to give back is talking to her and seeing what her and her family's been through and what her husband did for this country too, you know. It's definitely honorable.
Every year it's a great day for everybody because we're doing stuff for other people, and when you do that you feel good. But it's neat because we have a little more energy because there's so many people.
This is a lot of fun. This is my first year and it's really, really great. It's a really wonderful experience. I meet some really phenomenal people.
I grew up in Springfield. We've been here 32 years. I think this is going to be great because this is going to pull everybody together. We're all going to get to meet each other. Now, I was diagnosed in October with breast cancer, stage 2. He's working because he loves his job, but also because of insurance. This is our home. My kids grew up here, and my granddaughter was, like I said, she's 12, and she said, Nana, please don't ever sell the house, don't. Well, we're rebuilding together, coming here. They're bringing everybody together. Closing down the street, everyone's going to get to see each other. So we'll be able to walk from one end to the other, meet all the volunteers and all our neighbors. We can rebuild again together. I think it's great.
I'm a working man. I'm still working. I'm 72 years old and I'm still working and I enjoy it. I serve my country because I loved it. I love it more than anything in the world. Yes, I want to thank the volunteers that are here, all of you. Because you're up here helping people that you don't even know me. I never seen none of you, but you're here helping me.
Join us in